Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a video of a TCL Smart TV black screen. I will show you how to fix this problem at home. So watch my video complete. Don't skip any part. And subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed it yet. Also like the video and press the bell icon for latest notifications. Coming back to videos viewers. Now I will check it. I will insert the power cord into plug. Now I will press the power key. You can see that there is no display visible, but when I put a light on it, and you can see that there is an under screen display. I will use two types of screwdrivers to open the back case. One is tiny screwdriver and other is normal screwdriver. There are two types of screws used on almost all TCL TVs. One are tiny and other are normal. So you have to use two types of screwdriver. Open all the back cover screws. Lift the back cover. There is a connector of speakers and power keys with the main board. You have to remove this first. This is the connector. Whenever you open the back cover, firstly you have to check the main board backlight inverter area. Is there any capacitor bulge or anything burnt? You have to change these parts, then move to the next step. Now there are some more tiny screws under the back cover. I will also open them. It's time for the LVDS cable. Remove this. There are two screws for the safety of T-con. Also remove them. Now our T-con is free. Turn the TV to the front side. And gently press the bezel upward like I am doing with my fingers. There are tiny locks that can be removed with the help of finger. Don't press so hard. It will break the panel. Follow the procedure I am doing, viewers. Now the main thing is to lift the panel carefully. Gently insert fingers under the screen like I am doing and lift it upward. Don't be in panic or rush, otherwise it will break your screen. Do this part so carefully. Then the turn for this plastic panel fitting. There are little locks. Press with any screwdriver inwards and lift it upward. Now lift the reflecting papers. There you go. The LED backlight strips are visible now. You have to lift this reflecting paper too to check the strips. I will now check these strips in steps. These are only two because it is 32-inch TV. If your TV is larger in size, then it may contain more. I will check this with the LED tester. Plug the LED tester on and place the red probe on the positive test point and black on the negative test point. Every LED strip have two testing points, positive and negative. There you can see that the lights are not glowing, so this backlight strip is bad. I have to change this. Now I will check the other one. Do the same procedure here, positive and negative. You can see that all the lights are glowing. This backlight strip is okay, but I have told you in many videos that whenever you open an LED and it have black screen problem with the backlight strips faulty, even there is if one backlight is fault, you have to replace all the backlight strips, because if you replace with one, the problem will come again. Now open the connector and screws if any attached to the strip. Changing all the backlight strips is a good practice. Always do this. I have removed the bad one and now I am installing the new. You can see that it is of the same model. Also try to use the same model strip because it have same connectors and holes for screws. I have connected the connector. Now I am tightening the screws. Now it is okay. It's done for the second one. Do the same procedure here. Remove the connector and remove all the screws. Even it is good. I am replacing it with the new one. This is the new one. Tight all the screws and fix the connector. It is done, viewers. Now it's time to check these backlights with the help of its button keypads. Always do this process because if you assemble and your lights are not good, you have problem. Press the power key and our lights are done. You can see that these are glowing. Now I will assemble this. Assemble the LED again. Now assemble the LED again. Install the reflector papers first. Then install the plastic fitting for the panel. You can see that it has locks. Properly insert it in its place. Now place the panel carefully. Watch for all the four corners. You have to place the panel inside these corners to avoid the breakage. After placing the panel and double checking it, then place the front side bezel. Gently press it downwards. It will be locked on its place. Now turn the TV and fit the T-con. Insert the LVDS cable by pressing it inwards. Install the inner screws. Now attach the back cover with the connector. Properly place it. Now attach all the screws. After finishing, turn the TV. Insert the power cord. Press the power button and you are done. You can see that the display is on and our TCL Smart TV is working again. Like the video, subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.